marine warning for waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 51 nautical miles southeast of Oriskany Reef to 11 nautical miles south of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Okaloosa Deepwater Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida from 20